If you're seeing the Monday.com error message when opening a Pulse, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to work. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and the good news is that most of the time the issue is caused by a browser problem, a network issue, or a temporary account glitch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to try and in what order, so make sure to stick around until the end. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do is clear your browser cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure you select Cache and Cookies, then click Clear, and after that, restart your browser completely. This step is important because old stored data can sometimes conflict with Monday.com and cause the Pulse to fail to open. If the error is still there after restarting, the next thing to try is disabling browser extensions. Open your browser menu by clicking the three dots in the top corner, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that could interfere with websites, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Some extensions block scripts that Monday.com needs to load properly, so testing without them can quickly show whether that's the problem. After that, turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using, then refresh Monday.com and try opening the Pulse again. VPNs and proxies can sometimes slow down or block the connection, which can trigger loading errors. If you still see the message, switch to a different internet network and refresh the page. For example, if you're on office Wi-Fi, try a mobile hotspot, or if you're on a home network, try another connection. This helps you determine whether the issue is related to your network rather than Monday.com itself. Next, sign out of Monday.com completely and then sign back in. This can fix session-related problems and force the site to reload your account properly. Sometimes a fresh login is all it takes to restore the Pulse view. If the problem continues, try using a supported browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Monday.com generally works best in those browsers, and using an outdated or unsupported browser can cause unexpected errors. Another great test is to open Monday.com in an incognito window. In Chrome or Edge, click the three dots and choose New Incognito Window. Incognito Mode disables many extensions by default and also starts with a cleaner browser session, so it's a useful way to check whether the issue is caused by saved data or add-ons. Finally, if nothing else has worked, check Monday.com's status page at status.monday.com. If there's a service outage or partial issue, the problem may be on their side, and in that case, you'll just need to wait for their team to resolve it. So to recap, clear your cache and cookies, disable extensions, turn off VPN or proxy settings, try a different network, sign out and back in, switch browsers if needed, test in incognito, and check the Monday.com status page. Following these steps in order will solve most cases of the Monday.com error opening Pulse. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Monday.com troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.